Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be installing some C-pillar window louvers on the Optima. Let's go ahead and get them on there. Alrighty, so in this kit we got the 2 louvers and some 3M double-sided adhesive. On the back side here, where it's shiny, is where you're going to be putting the adhesive. I went ahead and already did mine. I'm going to show a quick clip of that now. And to get them installed, we're just going to go ahead and hit the windows with some all-purpose clean and shine and rub them down with a microfiber towel and stick them on there. You guys, and we are finished up. I think that looks pretty dang sweet. It adds just a little bit more pop to the car, gives it a little more of that, racing style look. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install or the louvers themselves, let me know in the comments. I'll be sticking a link in the description down below if you want to go ahead and get some of these for your car. Again, thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out another video on the channel, and I hope to see you in my next one.